My name is Dino Martina, and I'm a third-generation tile Terrazzo marble guy, actually fourth-generation tile Terrazzo marble guy. My grandfather started the company back in 1927, Martina Brothers. My great-grandfather had a company in Cincinnati, Ohio, started in 1911, and that was called Martina Mosaic and Tile. So we've just gone through the generations, and now here I am. I have my sons, Mario and Lorenzo, so they're the fourth generation, and we'll see how it goes. But I think the one that sticks out the most is Christ the King Cathedral in Lexington, Kentucky, that my grandfather did originally. Then my dad went in there, and this was in the 60s. My dad went in there in the 80s and did another edition, and then we went in there in the mid-2010, 2009-10, and it was just awesome to kind of be the third generation to add on to marble and terrazzo, and it was really just felt good to be contributing to pass on that legacy of the Martina brothers doing that kind of work.
So the same building has three generations of work that currently exists.
Currently exists, and it all looks great. It all looks like it's timeless. What my grandfather did originally and what my dad did and what we did, we're very proud of, and it's something that you know, you just look back and go like, man, I'm glad we had the opportunity, and we're still in business to keep on contributing to you know, the workmanship and society, and just you know, all the terrazzo and work you can do.